Overview of project, project management, program management, and portfolio. What is project? PMBOK defines a project as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. A project can be distinguished based on its characteristics. A project creates a unique output. The output could be a product, service, or result. A project creates an outcome that may be tangible or intangible, something which is physical or non-physical. Projects are temporary in nature, having definite start and end dates. It is important to differentiate the project work from regular operational work. Projects are temporary in nature and have definite start dates and definite end dates. On the other hand, routine operations such as processing of tax returns for a taxation authority are an ongoing activity and repetitive tasks. Operations, unlike projects, are neither temporary or unique. Now, let us understand what marks the completion of a project. The project is completed when its goals and objectives are accomplished to the satisfaction of the stakeholders. Sometimes projects end when it's determined that the goals and objectives cannot be accomplished, or when the product, service, or result of the project is no longer needed and the project is cancelled. Usually, the project sponsor takes the call about the closure of the project. Project initiation context. A project can have more than one objectives. Organizations leaders initiate projects in response to factors under 4 fundamental categories: to meet regulatory, legal, or social requirements, to satisfy stakeholder requests or needs, to create, improve, or fix products, processes, or services, and to implement or change business or technologies strategies. In the next screen, we will discuss project management. PMBOK defines project management as the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. Project management enables organizations to execute projects effectively and efficiently. You, as a project manager, will be responsible for managing the project processes and applying the tools and techniques used to carry out the project activities. Project management is performed by applying and integrating 49 project management processes, which are logically grouped into 5 process groups. The groups are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and finally closing. Project application and integration means these processes should be executed in the right manner as well as in the right order. In the next screen, we will discuss program and portfolio. PMBOK defines program as a group of related projects, subprograms, and program activities managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits and control not available from managing them individually. Take example of building a shopping mall. There would be multiple sub-projects under this program, such as design and placement of shopping areas, food courts, construction, marketing, facilities management, and so on. Each of the sub-projects is a project unto itself. Each sub-project has its own project manager, who reports to the project manager, who is responsible for the entire program. All the projects are related and are managed together so that the collective benefits are realized and controls are implemented and managed in a coordinated fashion. When projects are managed collectively as programs, it is possible to capitalize on benefits that won't be achieved if the projects were managed separately. Make note that random projects should not be grouped together as a program. The projects in a program should be related in some way or the other. Program management includes managing the integration of multiple projects, the integration of projects with ongoing operations, governance throughout the program, and realizing the benefits the program was initiated to deliver. These benefits could be decreased risk, economics of scale, utilization of shared resources, and so on. PMBOK defines portfolios as programs, subsidiary portfolios, and operations managed as a group to achieve strategic operations. For example, a company in the construction business can have several business units: retail, single-family residential, and multifamily residential. Collectively, individual projects and programs within all of these business units make up the portfolio. Programs and projects within the portfolio are not necessarily related to one another in a direct way. However, the overall objective of any program or project in the portfolio is to meet the strategic objectives of the portfolio, which in turn should meet the strategic objectives of the business.